What if you could make any image talk with natural motion and perfect lip sync like me?
Like me. Pretty cool, right? Let me show you how easy it is to do this yourself.
In this video, I'll show you how to bring still photos to life using InfiniteTalk and ComfyUI. No animation, no editing, just pure AI magic. Alright, let's get this rolling. We're using InfiniteTalk inside ComfyUI running on RunPod. It's a cloud GPU setup that makes everything super smooth and fast. Now, if you've got a beefy GPU at home, like a 4090 or anything with solid VRAM, you can totally run this locally too. And if you're working with less power, don't stress. I'll show you the GGUF version later that works even on lower VRAM setups. Just make sure ComfyUI is installed and updated. I've linked a quick setup guide below. Once that's ready, we'll grab the InfiniteTalk model files and start bringing images to life. InfiniteTalk works together with the one image to video model, and these two handle the generation from phone timing to realistic motion. You'll need both the main models plus the supporting files like the VAE and text encoder. All of them are linked together on our website for easy access so you can download everything from one place. Now, if you're on RunPod, here's a quick way to install them directly. Just right-click the folder you want to install something in. Say Diffusion Models, choose Open in Terminal, then type wget, and then paste the download link from Hugging Face. Hit Enter, and it'll download the file straight into that folder. Repeat that for each model in the correct folder, VAE, LoRa, and so on. Once you're done, your folder structure should look something like this. Now that all the models are in place, let's load up the InfiniteTalk FP8 workflow inside ComfyUI. Just download the InfiniteTalk i2VFP8 lip sync workflow JSON file and drag it straight into your ComfyUI canvas. You'll see the full setup appear automatically. All the nodes for image input, audio analysis, and video output. If you notice any nodes outlined in red, that just means some custom nodes are missing. To fix it, open the Manager tab. Click Install Missing Custom Nodes and press Install on the nodes that appear. Then restart ComfyUI. When you come back, those red outlines should be gone and your workflow is ready to roll. Alright, time for the fun part. Let's make our AI character talk. But before we do that, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Fanvue. Fanvue is a platform built for creators who want to monetize in new ways. And right now, one of the fastest growing trends is AI influencers. Yes, creators are already earning a serious income by building and running AI-driven accounts. To make it easy to get started, Fanvue has launched a free Creator Academy course. It gives you the exact step-by-step blueprint for setting up your own AI influencer and shows how people are turning their skills into a side hustle, with some earning thousands every month. If you're curious about making money with AI or just want to see how this space works, check out the free course. I'll leave the link down below. It's definitely worth a look. Alright, now let's jump back in. Start by loading your portrait image into the image loader node. For the best results, go with a front-facing photo that's well lit. Avoid side angles or extreme poses. That helps InfiniteTalk keep the lip movement natural. Next, set your video size in the resize image node. A quick setup I like is 480x 832 pixels. That's a 9:6 vertical format. Perfect for Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. Then load your audio file into the audio loader node. InfiniteTalk automatically analyzes the waveform, tracking phone timing and rhythm so your lips match the sound frame by frame. Now in the Wave 2 Vec2 Embeds node, set num frames to control your video length. As 25 frames per second, 100 frames is 4 seconds, 200 is 8 seconds, and so on. Make sure it matches or slightly exceeds your audio length. You can also tweak the audio scale to exaggerate or soften mouth movement. Higher values mean more expression, while lower ones keep it subtle. If you want to hint at a certain mood, add a quick text prompt in the text encoder node, something like a calm man speaking clearly. It won't drastically change the output, but it helps guide emotion. When everything's ready, hit run and watch InfiniteTalk do its thing. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have a smooth, natural talking animation that's perfectly synced to your audio. If you're using RunPod, this usually takes around 200 seconds on a RTX 4090. Super efficient for results this clean. It's so nice to finally meet you. Can you hear me clearly? That was pretty amazing, right? Let's check out another example so you can see how consistent the results are. Come visit my profile. There's a lot more waiting for you there. Pretty impressive, right? And the best part, you don't even need a high-end GPU to pull this off. If you're running on a lower-end GPU, you can still get results like this using the GGUF models. They're lightweight versions of the InfiniteTalk and WAN models optimized for smaller VRAM without losing much quality. You can grab both the InfiniteTalk GGUF and 1.2.1 GGUF models from Hugging Face. The links are on our website. Once you've got them, just drop the files into your Diffusion Models folder exactly like we did before. Then load the InfiniteTalk GGUF workflow into ComfyUI and you're good to go. Everything works the same way. Upload your image, add your audio, set your frame count, and hit run. It might take a little longer to render, but the results still look fantastic, even with limited VRAM, and that's it. Now you can make any image talk using InfiniteTalk and ComfyUI. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me what topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.